One, Apple was overbought at 97%. Google is technically not overbought as a lot of names. Here on the weekly, we're at about 84%, and we've ran really nice for several weeks here. When we were at 96%, 93% overbought here, it was time to sell, and we sold up here at those highs at that time. Here, we've got some upside left. However, the upside will be limited because we are running close to 85% on a weekly level. However, when looking at how overbought the Dow, the NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ Comp, and S&P 500, that Google is not nearly as overbought as its indexes and its peer group. And what is its peer group? Called Internet Sector. And if you look at the Internet sector in its entirety and its whole, you will see that there are many stocks that are extremely overbought, and you can stay overbought for a number of weeks. So Google has a little bit of upside in the name still to reach its overbought levels, such as prior reversals. One of them was right here, 91%. Okay? We peaked right here at 96 freaking percent. That was overbought and we shorted it. And that was last year in January. And another short. Of course, there was lots of things, but here we were overbought at 90.9 and overbought at 93.87% during that time frame. Once again, you're 84.99%. You are reaching the overbought zone, but you have not exasperated it such as its peer groups, because you have not. And the thing about it is all the indexes are overbought. Let me pause the tape and show you the difference. And another one. Let's type in Apple. You want to see overbought? There. Weekly overbought, 96%, down you come. You want to see another one overbought? Take a look at Priceline. They're all going to come down. They're all overbought. Here, you want to talk about overbought? This one here runs a little bit different, but it's getting to that final 89.5 up here because it runs different. Doesn't tick like Apple, but we're getting overbought there. And we can go higher, but everything that pops in that earnings that's overbought, we're buying put options because the put options are deflated. And we're still short Apple. And the thing about it is, here, you want to see other stocks? Let's take a look at Amazon. Here, you want to talk about overbought? 91%, 92%. They're overbought. Whatever spikes in the earnings, we are in earnings season. The put options are going to be the trade, the bear, the bull bear tech, the SQQQ. That's another one. There's another bull bear. They're all oversold, and these are all overbought. This is how market, you buy down here. When they get overbought, they go down, and you will have a market correction. So these names here are overbought. Google is not nearly as overbought because it's not. It's at 85 here now on the weekly. But if you want to take a look at its co-partner, the NASDAQ, where it trades, you want to talk about overbought, that's overbought, 97% on the NASDAQ comp. Now it's 94. This is perfect time for correction. Google has not gotten overbought as its index it trades in, let alone this NASDAQ 100 that I'm going to be shorting. You want to talk about overbought? 97, 95, you will not stay up here. And the VXN fear indicator and all of that is down there, MMTs. For you retail rookies, you're going to learn your lesson. And you're going to learn your lesson on how to take the other side of the exuberance within the current trend cycle. And when that pullback and that correction comes, all those bear ETFs versus bull ETFs are totally out of whack. The ratios are wrong. The correction is coming. Buy the rumor, sell the news, and that's the difference between Google and its peer group and why Google can still have some upside left in the earnings before it hits its extreme overbought levels, and we would sell into that overbought level. And the rest of the markets are extremely overbought. This one is finally working itself in that direction, but has not superseded the overbought zone as the indexes it trades in relative to its peer group. And you new MMTs in this boot camp, you better get ready to sell short when I tell you, because there's not much left to the upside. And market reversals are healthy. They need to pull back.